Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have the Ipsy Glam Bag X to unbox. This was gifted to me. The Ipsy Glam Bag X comes out every quarter, so the last one was in November, so this is for the month of February. It is $58. Everything in the box is valued at over $350, and it's always curated by a celebrity or an influencer, a tastemaker, you know. So I actually have avoided spoilers. I don't know what is inside, so let's find out together. And today I didn't even cut it open yet, so let's do that. And let's see what we've got going on. So you guys get to see before I do. So what do we have in there? Ooh. So everything's full size, and wow, there's a lot in here this month. Okay, let's start with this one. Ooh. This is KIRAMOON. They sent me PR a million years ago, and it has been on my to-do list forever. So I'm really excited to see KIRAMOON in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag X. KIRAMOON is actually a skincare brand from Texas. I'm from Texas. So what is this though? This is KIRAMOON. It is Star Jelly. This is Magic Resurfacing Facial. 10% alpha hydroxy acid and niacinamide. That sounds amazing. Let's take a look at the packaging. The packaging is so adorable. Let's take a look inside. Ooh, all right. Ooh, very cool. Wow. The packaging is everything. How cute is this? Okay, and on this side, we do have a little smiley face. Oh, love it. Okay, love this packaging. So, Magic Resurfacing Facial Star Jelly from KIRAMOON. We've got the little facial brush. We've got the pump. This is lovely. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. It's time to work your magic. The multitasking facial treatment buffs away dead skin cells, revealing smoother, glowier, and more clarified skin. Ooh, okay. Wow, cannot wait to try that out. Thanks. Okay, cool. What's next? So, oh, I picked up two things. We'll start with this one. Oh, okay. I have not purchased anything from Too Faced in a long time because, well, I honestly just found Jared annoying. But all joking aside, everybody knows the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Whether you like Too Faced or not, the mascara is amazing. This is the waterproof version. And I'm one of the rare people that anytime you offer me a mascara, I always want the waterproof version because I love to put mascara on my lower lashes, and most mascaras transfer onto my skin and then it looks like I have black eyes when really it's just smudgy mascara. I also have that problem with mascara, like even going all the way up here and just smudging, and it's just the way it is. So I'm happy to have the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof version. Super exciting. Okay, very nice. Ooh, NATASHA DENONA. What's this? NATASHA DENONA Lip Oh-Phoria Gloss and Balm. What shade do we have? We have shade Nude. So we've got Better Than Sex, we've got Nude. Okay. Ooh, that is a nude shade. Ooh, that looks very pretty actually. NATASHA DENONA Lip Oh-Phoria Nude. Lovely. I can always use a nude lip gloss. What's next? Filla Under Eye Serum Stick. Oh, Dew of the Gods. Okay. This is now the third item from Dew of the Gods that I have. And I'm sure it's going to be amazing, just like the under eye patches, just like the dry scrub for your face. And now we've got Dew of the Gods Filla. Great packaging. PWRNAP Cooling Overnight Retinol Mask. This is 15 grams under eye serum stick. Ooh, this sounds really cool. Filler, no babe. You need Filla and a PWRNAP. Okay, this is definitely something I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. Okay, again, how cool is the packaging? Dew of the Gods Filla, PWRNAP, Cooling Overnight Retinol Mask. Let's go ahead and pop this off and take a look. No scent that I can discern. Looks very cool. Ooh, okay. Well, I'm gonna be using the heck out of that. Very cool. Dew of the Gods, Filla. Okay, we got a couple more things. Evening Detox Clay Mask from a brand called This Works. Okay, this brand is quite new to me. I'm not familiar with this at all. Evening Detox Clay Mask, anti-pollution purifying mask with malachite and kaolin clay for a 10-minute skin detox. You warm the tube in your hands, gently squeeze the tube to dispense the product. You leave it on for 10 minutes. Okay. I'm always a fan of a clay mask. We'll try this out. Very nice. Okay, we got 3 more items. Sorry, it's like, you know, sometimes the font is so fancy, you don't know where to look first. This is KVD Beauty. Sorry, this is KVD Beauty. And this is called Modcon. This is liquid gel blush. Sorry guys, I'm like, my voice is crappy today. Forgive me. This is liquid gel blush. This is the shade Glowlita. Can we please retire anything Lolita Ida names for this brand? Just saying. Okay, Glowlita. Yeah, Glowlita. So, but let's see, a liquid gel blush. I am a fan of a liquid gel blush. I have not tried this. That's an interesting squeeze tube. Okay, we'll put it to the test later. I'm all about it. All right, we got 2 more items. This is a brand I'm not familiar with. Sorry, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I was looking at the back to see it is VOIR, but they combined the I and the R into one letter. That's why I was like, is that, okay, so it's VOIR. I think that's probably pronounced VOIR, or yeah, VOIR. So, sorry guys, French is not my forte. What is this? This is Rhythm of the Rain. This is a hair mask. And scalp detox. Well, that's interesting. Pure and smoothing. Let's see. Let's see, it's going to restore scalp health and replenish moisture for shining hair that's sumptuously soft, strong, and hydrated. This is actually pretty interesting. I know my hair is short, guys, but I do still use shampoo and conditioner and all those hair nourishing products. I want to keep my hair that I do wear healthy and shiny, smelling nice, and my scalp nice and moisturized so it's not all dry and dandruffy. Okay, I'll give this a try. Voila! And this is Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. Okay, we got 1 more makeup item, but then we also have info on who curated this month's box. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is the Laura Mercier Loose Powder. This is the translucent loose setting powder light catcher. Ooh, that actually sounds really amazing. Sorry, all my lights are reflecting, I know. Let's go ahead and pop this out. Let's take a look at it. Let's see, there we go. Lovely packaging from Laura Mercier. I hear a lot of great things about this powder. So, well, you know, I don't want to open it right now and get it all over the place, but this is the shade Celestial Light. So I'm sure you'll see me using it on Instagram and whenever I'm doing my makeup of the day. Okay, so that's the last item. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in this month's box. This is really nicely curated. I can just remember when Ipsy was brand new and they just had the cutest, smallest bags, and they still have the cutest, smallest bags, but like the value is always like insane nowadays. All right. Whoa, that's really cool. It's Bailey Sarian. Okay, everything was on top of the newsletter that you get in the Glam Bag X. So I didn't realize who curated this month's box. It's Bailey Sarian, guys. Now, some of you are going, who's Bailey Sarian? Well, obviously, if you've been on YouTube, She does the makeup and murder videos. So if you like true crime and you like makeup, she does her makeup while she goes over a true crime case. And she's really animated, really knowledgeable, well-spoken, and entertaining. And obviously she's got style. So very cool. So Bailey Sarian curated this month's Glam Bag X. And I think it's an excellent curation. All right, that is it. So I was gifted this box, but I have no promo codes, no affiliate links for you. This is just to show you guys what kind of value you get when you sign up for the Ipsy Glam Bag X. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and if you leave comments, I will answer. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.